welcome to the Mix Lovelies and Friends. And on the mix, we have Dwayne. Now, Dwayne is playing a tape of Marcia, and he had this to say to Marcia and to the followers, to people all around, basically. So, guys, go ahead and go catch the video, see what Dwayne has to say about this video. And remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so when I post, you know about it. And for all my lovelies out there, you're celebrating your birthday today. Yes, it's the first of the month. Have yourselves a wonderful, wonderful day. And I wish you joy, love, peace, happiness, and prosperity throughout this your year. For all my other lovelies, my supporters, my followers, my friends, and those who come just to look, I wish you a wonderful day. Now, remember, the joy of God is upon you. Live like there is no tomorrow. Enjoy your day. Because guess what? You only have one life to live. And guess what? You have to live it. Because what? There is no one else able to live your life for you. You are on a journey. And with every passing day, there is something that you're making memories. So make those memories. Ensure that your memories are something that people will look up to one day. And guys, know that tomorrow is never promised, but today is the only thing that you see. The present moment basically is only what you're able to see. You can't see in the future to say the future is for you. So live your life. Be happy, smile, and continue to laugh. Yeah, have yourselves a beautiful day, guys.
How did Curly get this type? How did she get the information? Clearly, someone must have went on their phone and said hello. But my question is, why take it to social media? I listen. I know on the north side I like Curly, but I want to say things like this is not something to play with. Because bear in mind, none of us go to the store and say, "Yo, sell me this," or sell. None of us do that. Not one of us do that. And Curly, I'm not beating you, but I think oftentimes we don't think before we say things out of our mouths. And me too, I've been a part of this damn collective where I don't think before I say something. Listen, nobody will cost me, but I mean, no say, I know in the back of your head while he was doing this live, I know you're saying I'm doing the wrong thing. Probably I know you probably saying that to yourself.
I hope that the plank of them and the people and where you turn against you with,
exactly.
I hope they will be there for you to motivate you and encourage you. Because sometimes God has to make things happen to you. To make you realize, say, if you come out of people when I have no use to you. Because when me see you follow me all these years, and when me see you turn against me, so you could have get a little highlight from people. These followers on social media don't care nothing about anybody. All they care about is likes and views. Just like we're over the landlord I do. Just like where the little dirty girl chin over there do. Latest and the whole of them. These people are non-factor, desperate women in Jamaica that don't really have much. And even if they do have something, them still struggling for more. And them want to crowd because them over there talking and taking up for this woman in Jamaica for the past few years. And them not reach nowhere yet. Them don't tell me what to talk about from what to talk about. If you listen to me, listen to my statement with understanding. Please do not disturb me when I'm talking. Else me going black on. Me I highlight something. And if you don't understand me in an intellectual play, do not say nothing to me because I answer. Because Because the whole of a hypocrite boy. I ask a few little supporter out here with me. Because I want to sit down and watch people trying to destroy my reputation. You sit down over, yes sir. You sit them over YouTube, I keep funeral service for me today. I want to not say nothing. I don't want one blood clot come over here causing nothing to me. Me, I talk the truth. And this is a prime example to see when people turn from good and go to evil. God is going to punish them. It's just simple as that. So, me highlighting the situation. What can happen to you when time is sick, you must give God thanks and praise. She came on social media and she spoke about that she has stage 4 cancer at one point in her life and God saved her. When you have stage 4 cancer in your life and it was bad and God saved you, you're supposed to be worship Him every day and speak about His goodness and His grace and mercy. You're not supposed to depend talk show that is downgrading a woman just to get money for your show. And I'm saying it, I do not, everybody on my page, me have them power antenna. Nobody is safe on my page. A few supporters on my Facebook page who is with me. So I don't want one mama bomber clot come over here and tell me nothing. Or not even ras clot in supporting my business. If you left up to one, if you support my business and whatever, gingy fly to cut my pussy. So me don't want one mama blood clot tell me nothing. Because when them out there scandalizing me, I'm not saying nothing. This is a general statement. This is a general statement. I'm not coming over here to overthrow my page. This is my page. I am the one who is paying $125 a month for phone bill. So let me continue. I may realize today when I see it that the cancer come back. I wish you all the best. But you know, say, when things come back like that, you know, say, God is calling you. So it's up to you. It's up to you. It's up to you to surround yourself with good things.
You know, pause. Make we try pick out some good things out of what we are here, right? Me hear Curly say, good luck to you with your ordeal, if it was true, right? But Curly, I respect that. However, me I say, how does association or affiliation determines our fate in life, especially when it comes to illness we receive like cancer, kidney disease, heart problems, whatever. How does affiliation or sides come into it? That's the part I don't understand. And you know, I feel like me a beat up, me just ask a couple questions, right? Honestly, God, people, me not chosen a side because when I'm being torn down for my stuff, I don't hear no one speaking up for me, and I'm not gonna speak up. Only on the comment can talk for the truth to talk, but me not say nothing. I'm just gonna say, how does affiliation or side coming out? That's gonna determine if we all get sick or not sick. And that's the only question me ask nothing else. Nothing else. Am I going to say Kylie was right for doing this? Absolutely not. But who the hell am I to judge her? Bear in mind, people are out here beating me left, right, and center for things I'm going through. Are they being judged? No, because a lot of people out here are cheering them on. So who the hell is me for one come beat them she for what she's going to say about someone she deems as an enemy? That's not my place. Curly should have known the minute she started opening her mouth about sickness like this, perhaps there would have been a backlash. So I'm sure she thought about it. Did she care? No. So why the backside me for care? Why me for care? If she not care, why me for care? If she don't care, why should I care? Maybe Curly and Princess should have a private conversation off of. I very much doubt you, Dorrit. I doubt that's gonna happen. I'm telling you at this point, because based on what I'm hearing from right now, Curly, you see, one thing with Curly is always hell bent on this side thing, like the people you choose to associate with. And once she say he's an enemy to her, you're gonna remain an enemy until she didn't fit to let it go. I'm gonna tell you, me not beat down that bad day. Cause when people a couple days ago, I was posted on a page when I'm walking my cane, my crutches. Was there anyone up in arms about that? No. I may have to defend myself. So I think it's only fair for Princess to defend herself, and anybody else who want to get the man to let them defend themselves. But I'm gonna say, in my opinion, is it right? I'm gonna say no. But that is not it's my business. I don't care. I don't business.
And change your diet. Or good luck to you. Me not have no remorse against you. Because I know that money is the root of all evil. And see how the bloggers them over social media turn themselves in an idiot. See them over there, see them over YouTube. But them a keep funeral for me. One dirty girl when named Chin over there.
And you see?
When she should be...
Pause, you hear? You see a lot of these bloggers out there, you people don't realize, or don't realize now, it's we, not only alone, all of us, we are cause all of this confusion out there where people are having to choose, it's either the side or the why are we so hateful to each other? Why? What way I get out there? If you're gonna sleep good at night time, is it putting more money in your bank accounts? Is it putting more food on your table? What exactly are we getting out of this continuous hatred towards each other? You know, say the other day, my change my style now, and you see me, I'm easily influenced. But here what? I'm back on track. Me no want nobody call me and tell me nothing. I'm gonna not call my phone. I'm run my page. I'm gonna run my page. It's my page. I don't want nobody to give me not give me no advice. Keep an advice to myself. Let me go with my gut. I eat that. It's this side thing. It's this damn side thing. Why? Or feel like we have to be hell bent on bringing down people is causing this damn confusion out here. When you're not gonna stop. When you're not tired. When you're don't tired. And then again, enough of you out here only is what we call whirlians, cantankerous hooligans, on the don't know better, on the don't know when to stop. And this I gonna be enough for we downfall because we don't know when to stop. I swear to God, one of these days, now for honor, I'm gonna look back and say, Lord Jesus Christ, our time gone. Watch and see, una gonna learn. Una must learn.
When she should be keeping funeral.
I'll be back on the
fear cemetery pussy where she have on her foot.
Lord Jesus Christ.
The cemetery pussy will bury all over the 14 parish yard.
Lord Jesus Christ.
If you go is 14 parish in a cemetery, you can see her name in the grave, or then cut out piece and put it in every cemetery. So she can't keep no funeral for me. Boy. I saw when time them can't beat you, them resort to both them and keep funeral for people. Me never know say, and me alone dead it make for. When the right time come, me have to go one day. We don't know when we're going, but we know we're going one day. But until then, we're going to be a warrior. And we're going to tell them and fix them business as all them business supposed to fix. And we don't cater. This is what you call desperation for money. No, the little drunk, dirty girl up on YouTube for about a year or two ago on. And them over there take up the planker. And them can't reach. Not even 20,000 them can't reach. The only time them get likes.
Sorry.
When them call my name. Them over there cost the people every day and them can't reach 20,000.
You know? That's another thing. That's so true. That is so true, Corinne. You make a valid point. You see, I feel like this is a problem with all of you people. Want to make this thing look so unjust and unfair. Want to pick and choose who to fight for. This is wrong. Listen, when somebody's sick, it could be on the worstest enemy. It could be a worstest enemy. Child, children, family, whatever. Long as sickness comes into play, you know, say the ball game changes. The ball game changes because bear in mind, oftentimes those people's lives may be in the balance. On a don't know if they're dead today, tomorrow, next week, or just don't know. So who are we to pick and choose who we fight for, especially when it comes to things like this? No. And this, I guess, enough for we go wrong, you know. I guess enough reason we're going wrong because on keep on. You know, since the other day when I come on my live, right, I'm start this whole thing. It seems like people's bored. But darling, I don't care who I'm bored, but let them be bored. Be bored, but me be bored. I'm gonna be real. I have to be real, I have to be my damn self. I can't be fake. Let's be real. If somebody's sick, sickness is meant for everybody. And you look at me, for example, the other day when people was ridiculing me for walking with a crutch, and because I got a stroke on my right side. Was you people up in arms about it? No, you was not up in arms. Why? Is it because it's me? Is it because Una chose to hate me? No. Sickness only can go to bed tonight. Only can go to bed tonight and wake up tomorrow and can't move. Una no realize here today, gone tomorrow. Una don't know tomorrow is not promised to no man or woman. On a don't know what tomorrow bring phone. So who are we to want to come bring down people because or tear down people because of this alleged side thing? Relax, man. On the do better. The wall I will do better. I swear to God, it's because of us and not for owning in the comments why this shit just won't stop. Would love to instigate too much. You see, because you people is not on the receiving end. On just in the comments go on itself. Bear in mind, on a face the backlash. On a face no backlash. At the platform holders my face backlash. The platform holders are facing the backlash, not you people. Instead of on try to push the peace for everybody, so the world we can be one and be united. No, on one come with the nonsense. No. Relax. I'm gonna beat Curly. I'm gonna beat her. Is she right? Is she right? That is for her to know. The same with the other day when people's coming at me for my thing. I didn't feel if them right or wrong. I know I wouldn't do it. I wouldn't do it. Me wouldn't do it. But other people, they don't think how I think. I mean, look at the other day when people was beating Tina Chin daughter for having cancer. Was you people up in arms about that? No, you was not. Why? Because it's Tina Chin's daughter. My point still stands. What is good for one, it should be good for everybody else. I'm gonna relax. One should relax. This side thing, it's not getting us nowhere, but in more chaos and more confusion and more toxicity. I mean, also, I always say this, but guess what? More time I come out here, Dwayne, remember I inboxed you. When now? No? Listen, if we relax, we should relax. Selective outrage. Exactly. And this is where enough of honor. Want to keep getting this thing wrong. Want to keep getting it wrong. Want to relax. Push for peace for everybody. Who are we to determine people's future? some of you will come out here and I wish death upon people. And then another incident when I say, oh God, oh my God, I feel bad for them. No. What is good for one is good for everybody. Marcia isn't putting her sickness down. I heard Marcia said, my ear she said, good luck with her sickness. That is how many feel. Me ear she said good luck, which means